I had to be in Bermuda for a conference. I'm participating on a panel. So of course I brought my camera, got up early, and got some sunrise shots off the south shore of the island. Check it out. Well, I made my way down to the beach and I hiked a little bit, searching around for a composition. You know, I'd love to have something in the foreground. So I found this area where there are some rocks in the foreground, so I'm going to set up and see if I can get some shots of a great sunrise. Well, one thing I didn't expect was the level of humidity that's still in Bermuda. So unfortunately my camera was in an air-conditioned room all night, and I brought it out. I'm getting some serious lens fog right now, so I just got to make sure I wipe it off every time I take a picture. Well, I shifted positions here. Kind of moved, instead of shooting right into the sun, I'm shooting kind of perpendicular to where it's rising. You see behind me, I got a great looking sky back there. It looks a little blown out on the camera, but trust me, it's fantastic. That's a better view of the sky. You can see how fantastic it is with those cloud formations. Well, I shifted down the beach a little bit, and there's these great rocks that kind of go off into the horizon. I'm using them as a leading line into this really dramatic sky. I'm liking it. I'm definitely liking it. Alright, well I'm shooting at 1/3 of a second, and so at that shutter speed you really capture some of the movement of the waves as they come in. You get this rushing water feeling that I think adds some drama to the image. I found this pretty cool spot around the corner. You get these two big rocks here, and the water comes rushing through there. I'm trying to catch the shot. The problem you have here is that there's a huge dynamic range for this image. These rocks are dark, the sky is bright. It's really hard to capture. What I should do is take two different shots, one with the rocks exposed, one with the sky exposed, and then blend it together in Photoshop. I'll give that a try. Well, I turned the corner and I had these sun rays coming through the clouds on the other side of this little area here. And so I quickly rushed, got my camera on a tripod. I had to put a neutral density filter, graduated one, just to darken the sky a little bit. But I got this shot, it was pretty good. Well, I gotta head back, shower up, and head to the conference. This was a ton of fun. I'm so glad I did this. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the lower right corner so you don't miss future videos. And signing off from Bermuda.